The Thirsty Crow. One hot summer afternoon, a crow flew over fields and trees looking for water. The sun was burning, and the poor crow was very thirsty. He searched everywhere, but there was not a single drop of water to be found. His wings grew weak, and his throat felt dry. "If I do not find water soon, I will die," he thought sadly. At last, the crow saw a small pot under a tree. With joy, he flew down quickly and looked inside. Yes, there was water at the bottom, but it was very low. The crow tried to put his beak inside, but he could not reach the water. He pushed the pot, but it was too heavy. He jumped again and again, but still, the water stayed at the bottom. The crow sat on the ground, tired and hopeless. But then an idea came to his clever mind. He looked around and saw many small stones. At once, he picked up a stone with his beak and dropped it into the pot. Then he picked another stone and dropped it too. One by one, he continued dropping stones. Slowly, the water rose higher and higher. At last, the water reached the top. The crow quickly put his beak inside and drank the cool water. "Ah! How refreshing," he said happily. His thirst was gone, and his cleverness had saved his life. With new strength, the crow flew away into the sky. Moral: where there is a will, there is a way.